This morning, for millions of Americans, the rush is on to get a COVID booster shot. But in cities like San Antonio, a rough rollout.
We were here about 3 hours, but it was well worth it.
We didn't expect the response that we're seeing today.
Last week, a CDC advisory panel approved the third Pfizer shots for people 65 and older and some with underlying medical conditions. But in a rare move, the CDC director, Rochelle Walensky, went even further, opening up boosters to frontline workers.
It's really for people who are working all the time with many different people who might be unvaccinated.
Some states are now cautious. In Vermont, a very limited rollout, pending more clarity from the CDC.
Those 80 and above can register to get their booster shot.
Another challenge, making sure that Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccine recipients know that they're not yet eligible for boosters.
It does appear that while it may be safe, not clear that you get added benefit from mixing and matching.
Other places are also struggling with COVID vaccine mandates. A federal judge is temporarily blocking one for New York City teachers that was set to take effect today. Parents are divided.
Should be mandated, yes.
I feel like if the teachers don't want the vaccines, that's okay, as long as they're safe about it, put the mask on.
A similar requirement starts today for New York healthcare workers, prompting concerns over staffing shortages. The governor is preparing to call in the National Guard if they don't show up for work. Around the country, new COVID cases are down, but in many places with lower vaccination rates, hospitalizations are still high. There's also a shortage of monoclonal antibody treatments, leading the federal government to limit the supply.
On a national level, it's been devastating. People that we would normally be able to treat, if this was last week or last month, we're having to tell them no. No physician and no healthcare provider wants to have to do this.
Here in Kentucky, St. Clair Regional Medical Center has dozens of COVID patients. 11 of them are on ventilators right now, and some of the medical staff is even making house calls to prevent people who are sick from ending up in the ICU. Savannah?
All right, Gabe Gutierrez leading us off this morning. Thank you, Gabe.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.